Prynawn da. It's an absolutely stunning day in Holyhead today. I've just had a fantastic meeting with workers on the railways representing the RMT and ASLEF, and they work on Transport for Wales and Avanti trains. And it was a very open, very frank discussion about the state of the railways. We've got an Avanti train behind us here. Quite shocking that we've actually got one because most of them have been cancelled. And the message from all of them has been quite consistent that Avanti's chaotic, Avanti have ruined the railways. These are their words, not mine. And that the pressures that Avanti failure is putting on Transport for Wales service is quite substantial. And also that, frankly, the message from them is clear. We need a Labour government because only a Labour government can sort it out, because there are safety issues on board these trains as well. So it was really good to sort of have that kind of open and frank discussion. I look forward to having more of them. I think I'm going to meet more of their rail workers in the next few days. But yes, we are here at the end of the line for Avanti, and I hope after this election it will be the end of the line for Avanti trains. Deal.